Just fucking mad.
Yes, I'm fucking mad.
Everyone's weak except the engineer.
Well, the engineer's promoted twice.
I'm just gonna try out the new gun.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. I have a clean overclock for now, so you know.
Ah, that's, this is some bonus.
Yeah.
I ain't got shit.
Don't activate it.
Did I activate it?
Yep.
Damn.
Shit.
Yep.
Oh well, didn't mean to do that. Whoops.
Whoopsie.
Ah, it's too late now.
Yeah.
Nope.
No!
Damn it. Damn it.
I wanted to
What?
shoot it
What?
in its
What?
ass.
What's
Check.
thing?
Yeah, you can aim for shit though, huh?
Fuck! I fell down a hole. Jesus Christ.
Super damage.
Hello.
What? Why is he teleporting? Jesus.
Oh yeah, right in the ass. I like this gun. Jesus. So good.
Shit. Shit. I can't do shit. Fuck.
Nice.
No. Jesus. Stop.
I can't see shit.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It also does a decent amount of damage.
What?
The gun.
The gun?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you hit
Well, I was
fully weak the Mactere.
was
Which is
aiming it,
kinda-
you know.
I know. You'll see. Oh, hello.
I see why it's weak against Macteras, because it prioritizes the fucking face.
Yep.
Not the weak point.
Больше полсам протискат за Mactere. Apustan zip.
Oh, scale brigades engineer. Lol.
One more, I think.
Fuck it, too.
Good job, team. Core and fuser ready.
Oh, engineer overclock. Yes, please. Unstable overclock.
Shutdown.
Nice.
Ja, ti kar streli to.
Damn the lasers. Just fucking laser him to death.
Well, yeah.
Shit, I can't see shit.
Oh, fuck. Damn it.
I missed.
Damn it.
Goddamn.
Damn it. Why?
Where is the bitch?
Damn
Oh,
it.
okay. Yeah, I'm missing the target with this gun. Damn.
Ja, za tole po mojem siguren. Tele ta male delčke, kamor z njega.
Holy shit, the damage.
Je.
Oh. Come on.
Yep. Fast and smooth.
Oh,
Fuck. Try to hit it.
don't worry.
Yeah, the problem is you need to aim the angle right at their fucking weak point. What?
Oh, my bad.
What the fuck?
My
The
bad.
daisy.
I said my bad.
Well, shit! It's on me.
Oh, I'm out.
Almost got me that time, you fat fuck. Almost got me. God damn it! Fuck!
It's
Really?
okay.
Shitty classy. Come on, yes.
Ouchie.
And reload. Fuck.
Come here.
Has it?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Come on. Shh.
Oh shit. Oh, nice. Oh,
We did it.
but we need one more bolo cap.
Mom.
Where's the mama?
Mama. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had it on me.
The whole time. What a bitch.
Are we
You
going
know.
home?
Yeah,
Ще не рисат на чека Богдо.
Drop pod inbound. Stand clear.
Ще не място взел съм заради тega да ограната мечем.
Okay. Zdaj A ja, kam moramo iti zdaj sploh?
Gor.
Zip naredil?
Bom.
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule.
Hello.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
Damn. Oh shit. Come. Molly, where?
В том назайка смо били.
Over there, yes.
Ал пътля.
Oh fuck.
Oh.
Oh shit! Well, YOLO. No, no,
Oh, fuck.
don't fall.
Dobra. I lived.
Ow.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
It's a good thing you made this zip.
Yeah. You see, it wasn't a useless one after all.
True.
Adi?
Fuck this bitch.
Yeah. Ampak tale bi na LOK tole dol zbila.
Eh.
No.
The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. ROCK GALACTIC thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you. Commencing. Good work.
Well, this bitch is done.
Yeah.
Yeah, the new victory move.
Ah, you got the pickaxe throw. Nice.
Yeah. Наследная била.
Nice. Level 9.